So this summer, trying to get our Foundations Practicum course set up to be partially online as well as in person for summer 2, we have found that we have run into a problem since the upgrade in all of the faculty going on to Blackboard for COVID-19. So I kind of wanted to show you what error was popping up as well as what we have found through trials and tribulations on how to solve this issue. So the first thing I was going to show you is right now my course is very large. So when I go to upload a syllabus, it's going to throw me an error. So I'm just going to put my content in, and I am going to try to put in my syllabus, which is a pretty small document. And it's going to throw me an error that says action not complete, it's going to exceed its quota. So that right there tells me that my course is too big. That means my course is over 2 gigabytes, and so I have to find out what is causing it to be so large. So when I go into learning units, one of the things that you would normally see is a lot of videos for a foundations course. Well, we have taken out those videos, and I was like, okay, so I've deleted them. They're not there, they're just links. That should free up space, but it didn't. So even though you delete content from a learning unit, it does not permanently delete it out of your course collection. So what you have to do is go down here under content collection and click on your course, which is the number. You're going to click there, and you're going to click into your imported content if it is a course that has been copied and imported multiple times over the years. So click there, and from there you're going to see your file sizes. I'm going to go to the one that's the largest, which is this 3.43 gigabyte, because there shouldn't be anything that large in my course. Because again, the course limitation is 2. So I'm going to click there, and I've already started this process down here on the bottom screen. And so I'm going to click the video itself. So I have done 6.3 completely. You're going to click and it's going to start downloading. I'm going to go ahead and delete this download because I already have it. So I've downloaded it. It is there. I'm going to click in and I'm going to push show in folder, and I'm going to rename this. I'm going to rename it Foley Supplies. And that's going to be done. Okay. So it's going to pop up, it plays, we're good. Okay, so now that you have it in the right spot, I'm going to copy it, and I am going to put it in my video file, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, so it's there. I know it is there. So I can exit out of this, and I can now delete this, which is 307.2 millibytes. That one's not that large, but some of these others are. But I'm just going to show you how we're going to get rid of them one by one. So now I can delete it. It's going to ask me, am I sure? I know I'm sure because that's the number matches that number. And I'm going to push OK. So it is now gone. Now I still have all these large ones that are still trying to download down here, so I cannot delete those right now for you. Now I have to do something with them. I cannot just go and re-upload them back in the course, but they're there for a reason, which means I need them. So I'm going to upload them via Usia. So I am going to upload a file. It's a video. I'm going to browse. I'm going to go to my videos, and I'm going to do this and push open. Okay, and I'm going to start the upload. Now, it's going to probably take a while, and from there, I'm going to deploy it into my course, but I'm going to pause this recording until this is done. So it has finished uploading, and it's going to tell you that down here in the bottom. It says finished uploading, and you can see it here. It's going to process for a few minutes before you can actually see the video and push play. But from here, I am done with the actual Usia manage media section right now. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to put it within the course. I will warn you that I am using Wi-Fi at my house, and that download took probably about 40 minutes to do, and I think it's an 8-minute video. So when you do sit down to do this, be prepared. Have other tabs open and work in the background, or just walk away from it, because it is going to take a little bit of time. So I have my course open. I'm in my learning units that I want to put this video in, and I'm going to push build content, and I'm going to scroll down and put use a media chooser. I'm going to scroll down to media, click into the blue box, and it's here. So I'm going to push insert videos. From there, it pops up, and the students don't have to do anything except push play. It automatically plays. They don't have to download. All they have to have is access to Blackboard. I hope this helps. A couple of things I do want to touch on is PDFs and PowerPoints and things like that don't take up a whole lot of room, but videos and images do. So they do recommend that we take down all of our embedded videos and put them as links, or put them through a cloud-based service such as Yuja or Media Server, in order to decrease our class size. I am pretty sure I have a pretty good grasp on how to help you. So if you aren't able to get into contact with Blackboard support or with Faculty Center, and you aren't being able to figure out how to decrease your class size, just send me an email, and I'd be more than happy to do a quick further demonstration with you, or Zoom with you and share your screen where I can help you decrease your class size. I hope this helps. I hope you have a wonderful summer, and I will see you soon. Bye.